Good morning, all. This is Dr. K.N. Subramanian from Wales Specialty Ortho Clinic, Madurai. I am going to demonstrate to you about primary ACL repair. Normally, we will be doing an ACL reconstruction when there is ACL tear. Here is a situation where ACL ligament is only avulsed from the femoral end, keeping the whole ligament almost well preserved. So, I am trying to do primary ACL repair. So to do repair, first step is to make sure your ligament is able to reach the femoral footprint area comfortably without much tension. And then create raw bed over the femoral footprint area over the bone so that you will have biological healing over there. And the next step is to take multiple bites over the ACL ligament. In order to take bite, hold the ACL ligaments proximal end with a suture grasper so that the tension is well preserved, and then take multiple suture passes from the distal end to the proximal end. First you can take from lateral to medial, and then you can pass the suture passer from medial to lateral. You can actually adjust the depth of the suture material passed through the ligament in a way which is much more stable. So one suture I take from much deep, another suture I take from superficial, so that you will have multiple array of stitches coming from distal to the proximal end. This is similar to what we do when you are doing a whip stitching for a graft harvesting that is done for conventional ACL reconstruction. Only difference is that we are using a suture passer instead of using a needle holder. So use a delicate suture management when you are passing these multiple passes, because you can easily get tangled with the suture material. So use a suture manipulator and park it through one of the portals from the medial end, another portal in the lateral end. So try to go right from distal to the proximal most end, so that at the end you have only two suture materials just hanging from the proximal most end. So now these suture materials can be reattached to the bony bed so that the ACL ligament will be well approximated into the femoral footprint area. Now I am creating a pilot hole for the attachment of the ACL ligament over there. Through the pilot hole, use a knotless anchor. In this knotless anchor, the suture materials from the proximal most end have been threaded, and this knotless anchor can be advanced like a screw mechanism. So what I am doing now is just advancing the anchor by doing a clockwise turning of the screw. So as you advance it fully, you can see the ACL ligament becomes much more tense. So now the healing should occur in about 2 to 3 months time, and then the patient should have almost like his own normal ACL. This is the end of procedure. Thank you.